So I've got to work tonight, but the monitoring system is telling me that there's a leak somewhere on one of these mains. I think it's on the C system looking at the monitors because that one's down a little bit, but do the process elimination, see if we can find it. But I've only really got like a half hour to try and find this, and we'll see how it goes. I know it's not on the B system. Let's check C. Nope, nothing on C1. Now the C main that goes up to the rest of them. Oh, I think it's here. Yep, that's it. Yep, it's on this one, C2. Can you hear it? I think it might be a drop pulled off. Yep, I can see it. Got it. Just plug that thing off, go back and check that, and then I'll check the rest real quick. Let's try it now. No leak on C2. I'm gonna run up and I am gonna check everything because it's all right here. So we'll check it real quick, but it might be one more. We'll see. All right, let's try the C main now. Nope, no leak. We got it. I'm just gonna run up, check the A system, and then get out of here. That was it. I just checked the rest of them, and there's no leaks. So hopefully the pump's showing that when I get out there. That right there is why you put valves in on your main lines, because you can eliminate a section on a leak like this. And I'm strapped. I got a half hour to get this done. It's probably gonna take me 45 minutes, but we'll see. And the monitors, as you can see, are already showing vacuum's back, so we're good. Put valves in on your mains, it helps, trust me. Hey, come on, Bricks, come.